afternoon, everybody. Right, let's pop that door open. Oh, got in from work. I cheated a little bit because I've already started strimming, and then my spool, how's that how you say it? Spool ran out. Yeah, but we're going to carry on painting the this worktop because it's the last coat. And it rained a lot. It rained all night last night, so no watering is needed. But I do need to get a new spool. Look, I'm going to turn you around because I want you to see these flowers. They're so lovely. Look at that. What a delight from the shed. That really is pretty. Fine roses and the foxgloves and daisies in the distance. Really pretty. And then there's my front. Oh boy. That's what I started strimming actually, but I needed to pull a lot of it up. So I will be getting on with that once this sort of shed's got a bit of progress. It's really much of the same as yesterday. Paint the worktop. I am hot. It's really hot in this shed. I have kept the door open for a little bit, tried to cool it down. But yeah, I'm thirsty for coffee. In fact, the mic's over here. And I've got big bits of wood actually for the back, for those gaps. Mr. Able to speak. Gonna sort the gaps. And I finished the measuring. I did that off camera because it was just easy to get it done. So I can, the people that I emailed and who email me back, I'm going to hopefully get a quote, a proper quote for OSB, all cut to size, everything cut to size. It's going to cost, I mean, I don't know. I've done this before, but this was, we're talking like 6-7 years ago, so I reckon it's gonna be a massive, what with the whole cost of living and all the materials, everything like that, it's all gone up loads over this last year. So I reckon that will, I just don't know how much it's going to cost, and it might be something that I'll have to maybe do in sections, you know, like pay for just this corner, this bit, so I can fix the work table. Oh, and John, I can't remember the rest of it, but you mentioned about the floor and stapling chicken wire or something like that. That's quite narrow holes to stop rats and mice getting in. I think that's a really good idea because I will cover the floor. But I think that's because you said over winter, especially if you're storing mealworm and all that kind of stuff, it will stop them getting in from the underneath at least. So yeah, I will look into that definitely. Thank you for that. That was a really good tip. And thanks all for your comments, replies about coffee and comments. That's so lovely. I will carry on with that. Very nice, really lovely. Because I do enjoy that, and it's something to talk about, isn't it? And I did actually put a call out to all the patrons, asking you if you want to do a Q&A for patron only. You know, so if you've got a question, reply to me via the Patreon. You would have got an email or notification saying I've messaged you. Give me some questions at me, and I'll do a little separate Patreon only vlog answering them. Ask me whatever you like. Right, finish this coffee and then we're going to start painting. And I'm amazed how far this friendship paint goes. It's not a promotion. I've just used this this is what I painted my front door with. And I've used friendship paint. What else have I painted with it? Furniture, because I do like doing that. Not this colour, but no, in fact it is this colour. That's what it's painted the front door. Smudge. I mean, have a kind of close look. Look, I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, I can't tell with the light, but still. Right, let's get on. I'm going to move the camera and let's carry on painting this worktop. Right, let's start this. Last coat. I was going to say as well, don't forget I'm doing a giveaway courtesy of Bimbo Clack, aka Jim and Maureen, who donated 2 prints. They paid for 3 and donated 2 for a giveaway. So I'm just going to do them one at a time. I'll do a little picture here of it just as a reminder. But if anyone wants to be with a chance to win it, comment down below and I'll add your name to the list. That'd be amazing. But you have to be a subscriber. Nearly finished. Oh, it's hot in this shed. Did I say it rained? I can't remember. But it rained all night last night, which was absolutely brilliant. Although I did think maybe the snails and slugs are having a party. I don't know if you can see inside. But I think that's amazing that I've got enough, just enough. There's still a little bit left over, which I'll keep because I think I might need to patch up my front door. It's been painted for about a year. It's just stood the test of time, but there's all the odd little knock or mark that I can paint out. So I don't want to buy another one of these. But they're £21 now. They used to be £17.99. But they're £21.99 now, so they, like everything else, they've gone up in price. Whew. It's drying already. This bit, it's all the wind's picking up. You'll feel the shed move. That's pretty cool. Really happy with that. I'm not going to do any more coats. That's 2 plenty. Ugh. Right, let's just get rid of that. Doing the silver foil thing. I'm going to take this beam off, but I forgot to bring a screwdriver. Because you remember yesterday, oh, the trouble I had trying to get it off. So I'm just going to work around it for the moment. I'm not sure whether the camera turned off or of its own battery issue, but I have 2, so I tend to swap when they get hot and overheat and switch off. Slightly annoying, GoPro, you know. You should make better batteries. Yeah, so look, just one sheet left. So I'm just going to, and then we're out of it for the moment. But we've done well, covered quite a significant amount. So I'm just going to see what's left and just finish it off. Oh, actually, go over like that, yeah. It's all a bit curled up where it's been in a roll. There we go. It's amazing how fast that paint dries because I'm already using it as a little table. It's great. Alright, let's just go over this side. Yay. And now we've got, this is what's left, so we could try and cut strips yeah. Trying to think if I can get enough, you know. Be good to get as much out of this as I can. And, well, there's always this over here. I mean, just to finish it off, you know. Yeah. Can you hear the breeze? Breezy, blustery a little bit. It's kind of changing. It looks like rain's coming, but it wasn't forecast. Not that that means anything these days. Patchwork. So that's just what's left. I'm going to keep it in the drawer because really I need to get another roll anyway, so I'll use it, but not right now. I'm just going to put this kind of in position, I think. Right, we're going to go outside and sort out those gaps. We're just sorting out gaps with bits of wood. This is what I've reused that was in the spider corner. Or not so spidery corner, we should rename it. Oh, it's lovely out here. Jesus, it's so muggy in the shed. Hopefully this silver stuff should stop that. Right, let's have a quick look at everything. Just going, can you see? It's got a little bit of lines because I was kind of really going sparingly with the paint. I'm not sure if that could be picked up, but it's only an allotment top and it looks a lot better than it did. I don't know why, but for some reason that's not quite fitting in there. I can't remember how it was before. I'm going to have to re-watch the video where I took it out. But let's have a look. So you've got the silver stuff there, and then silver firmer wrap there, all the way to here basically. And so all of this needs it around the door and the ceiling. Oh, yeah, I mean that's what my little brush is for, so I'm going to deal with all of that, but yeah. And then eventually the floor, but that chicken wire idea, I think it's a really good one, so I'm going to have to start looking for that, which is not a bad, you know, something to do anyway. I think tomorrow I'm definitely going to be working on the plot 25, the areas, the edges, and leave the shed for a few days. Yeah, because there's this mess, but some gardening needs doing. But I'm very pleased. I mean, this is great progress, so I will, yeah. Thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget, I'll put a quick picture up here, you know, giveaway for one of the prints for plot 25+1. Yeah, just subscribe, and even if you're not interested in the print, subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. It's one of the best ways to support the channel if you like watching. Yeah, but thanks everybody, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.